We'll guide you through how to make Watermark Premiere Pro. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Many people search for this tutorial because they want to protect their videos from being reused or stolen by adding a watermark. It is also useful for branding, helping creators display their name, logo, or channel identity. To begin this tutorial, open Adobe Premiere Pro on your computer. Drag the media clip onto the timeline to create a new sequence or place it into an existing one. Once the clip is ready on the timeline, press T on your keyboard to activate the Type tool so you can add text directly onto your video. Click on the program monitor, then type your watermark text directly on the screen. After entering the text, click the Selection tool on the toolbar to exit text editing mode and return to normal selection controls. Next, go to the Effect Controls panel to adjust the appearance of your watermark text. Scroll down until you find the text section, then click the drop-down icon to expand the available settings. If needed, change the font type according to your preference, for example use Poppins, so the watermark matches your design style. Then adjust the font size according to your needs to ensure the text is clearly visible but not too distracting on the screen. Continue by scrolling down until you find the shadow section. If needed, enable the shadow option to add depth to your watermark text. Click the shadow color box to open the color picker, then change the shadow color according to your needs and click OK to apply it. After that, adjust the shadow opacity to control how visible the shadow appears, making it subtle or more pronounced depending on your preference. You can also adjust the shadow size according to your needs to refine the overall look of the effect. Next, scroll down until you find the opacity section. In the blend mode option, for example, change it to multiply so the watermark blends more naturally with the video instead of appearing too harsh or solid. Press Enter on the keyboard or click the play button in the program monitor to preview the watermark and ensure it looks correct and fits well within your video composition.